In a world where everyone is socially connected, we humans have achieved the remarkable, overcoming obstacles and turning the impossible into reality. Yet, despite our strengths, we often struggle with loneliness and the desire for love. We all want to be known and adored, but many feel lost in a society where everyone sees themselves as the main character. Today, let's explore how to navigate this struggle and stand out, becoming more likable and gaining the attention we crave. Embrace your uniqueness, cultivate confidence, and let your light shine as we dive into the video. First up, become genuinely interested in other people. Carnegie tells us that showing real interest in others' lives and experiences can make a huge difference. Imagine meeting someone new at a party. Instead of talking about yourself, ask them about their hobbies, their job, or their recent travels. People love talking about themselves, and your genuine curiosity will make them feel valued. Remember, listening attentively means putting away distractions and truly focusing on the person in front of you. Second, smile. A simple smile can create a positive atmosphere and show friendliness. Think about it. When you meet someone who greets you with a warm smile, it instantly makes you feel more comfortable and welcome. Smiling is a universal sign of goodwill and can break the ice in any situation. So, next time you walk into a room, remember to smile. It's the easiest way to make a good impression. Third, remember that a person's name is, to that person, the sweetest sound. Use names in conversations. It makes people feel recognized and respected. Imagine meeting someone new and addressing them by their name throughout the conversation. "It's nice to meet you, Sarah." Or, "What do you think about that idea, John?" This small gesture shows that you see them as an individual and that you're paying attention. Fourth, be a good listener. Encourage others to talk about themselves. Focus on listening more than talking. People appreciate being heard. For example, if a friend is sharing a story about their weekend, don't interrupt with your own stories. Instead, ask questions that show you're interested and engaged. "That sounds fun. What did you enjoy the most?" This makes the other person feel valued and understood. Fifth, talk in terms of the other person's interests. Discuss topics that interest the other person. It shows you value their opinions and preferences. If your colleague loves hiking, bring up a conversation about the best hiking trails in the area. If your neighbor is passionate about gardening, ask for tips on growing your own plants. When you engage with others on topics they love, you build a stronger connection. And sixth, make the other person feel important, and do it sincerely. Acknowledge others' achievements and express admiration genuinely. This could be as simple as congratulating a coworker on a job well done, or thanking a friend for always being there for you. Sincere appreciation goes a long way. It's not about flattery, it's about recognizing and valuing the contributions of others. Let's recap these 6 ways to make people like you. Show genuine interest. Smile. Remember and use names. Be a good listener. Talk in terms of others' interests. And make others feel important sincerely. These principles may seem simple, but their impact is profound. By incorporating them into your daily interactions, you'll notice how your relationships become more meaningful and fulfilling. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring that bell so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Which principle are you excited to try first? Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep building those meaningful connections.